Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here, coming at you with another video. Marvel Digital Comics Alpha Flight number 1 drops tomorrow, Thursday, January 13th of 2022 at 8 a.m. Pacific time, and that is 11 a.m. on the East Coast. Yeah, this is a very interesting drop. If you're watching this after the drop, I am going to have some analysis for you. So it might be worth still watching to the end, even if you're watching this after the actual drop. So what's unique about this? Well, this is a very niche comic. This is very, very niche. The Alpha Flight is effectively Canada's Avengers. That's basically what it is. It's a very niche comic. In terms of actual, like, do people like the comic? People have, decent opinions on the specific comic, but it is not something that is held up as, like, a great read. However, with it being so niche, there is only going to be, right here, 10,000 total editions. That is the key here, and that's what makes this an absolute, a stud of a comic. So typically the comics have about 30,000 total editions. This one only has 10,000, all right? Now, a couple things to know about this comic. This technically is not the first ever appearance of Alpha Flight. You're probably thinking, well, this is this is comic number 1. How isn't it? It is the first ever Alpha Flight exclusive comic. But Alpha Flight, the actual team, did appear in the X-Men. I don't know the exact edition, but it did appear in the X-Men before getting their own type of comic, okay? Now, like I said, this is very niche. This is not a comic that a lot of people know about, but because of its low mint count and because it's so niche, and because real comic book nerds are going to want to get their hands on this, I absolutely think this is worth going for. So we see that the list price is going to be $6.99, $7, right? I don't like making price predictions, but I think this is going to be another case of you really want to get the rare or the ultra rare or the secret rare. I think the commons and uncommons will probably go for between, I would say, 25 to 35 in the aftermarket immediately, and we'll probably see a small pullback, and then we'll likely rise slowly over time with some up and down movement. Now, in terms of the rare, ultra rare, and secret rare, I could see this being in the thousands simply because of the low mint number. Only 10,000 of these comics are going to exist versus 30,000 on typical comics. And again, part of me in this analysis is like, this is not a popular comic. This is a side comic. This is a side thing. This is nothing that's like a mainstream Marvel series, which is all true. But the other part of me is like, this is niche. This is something only the hardcore comic geeks know about. This is something that is extremely niche, and it's kind of finding that balance of like, this is not as popular as Spider-Man, but it's just so niche. I think this is going to have a very big market and a lot of price action in the aftermarket place. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Am I spot on? Is the low mint number and the pure nicheness of this comic going to carry it as far as price action goes in the aftermarket place? Or is this just a cash grab and this is just worth a quick flip, buy it, sell it immediately type of thing? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. I am uploading this on YouTube, on Odyssey, and on a couple other platforms. Check out my other social media links in the description if you want to follow me on Twitter or on other video sharing platforms. Obviously, there's issues going on with YouTube, so definitely do that. And lastly, if you want to get a VPN, if you want to protect your data, definitely use my link in the description to PureVPN. You will get a discount. Definitely do that. Do not miss out on getting yourself a VPN to protect your privacy. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time, and have a great day.